Okay, hello everyone. Welcome you guys to this week top pay. I'm looking to trade this week for massive profit. I welcome you guys to this yet another episode on our platform here. We release every Monday, every week. Okay, you all are highly welcome. My name is Henry the Great, and every week I release video looking at top pairs, top assets I'm looking to trade for massive profit. And we've been doing this for a very long time now. It's been very much profitable. Review so many trades that happened in the past: Euro GDP, J40, US oil, Euro USD CAD, gold, NAS 100, BTC, Ethereum, volatility indices like Step Index, V25. So many assets were reviewed in this section, in this program that have actually made crazy profit. So if you're joining us for the first time, you are highly welcome. Okay, and then I will encourage you to stick around so that you can be able to learn one or two things that will help you to improve your trading. Okay, also, and if you're on this live call and then you're watching the video and the video is being rendered on a low quality, I will encourage you to go to your YouTube. If this video is actually on a low quality, you change it to 780 from 480, change it to 720p, so you can be able to watch the video in a better quality. Okay, yeah, so let's go straight to the point right now. Let's go to the charts. We'll start off with BTC. So on BTC, this was the trade that happened, that was last week, the dump that cleared so many people off. For those of them actually on the WhatsApp group, I told them that BTC is actually going to drop after we cleared this high. That's what I told them. So I told them that we should wait for price to take out this high, and then we now check if we have a harmonic pattern that is in alignment with that particular key level. So we're able to get a pattern here, which is actually a sharp pattern of 1.13, and then we had a key level, have a liquidity sweep and a confirmation for an entry and drop to this point in time. So this was a very profitable trade opportunity for us, for those of them actually on the WhatsApp group. So you can join the WhatsApp group to be able to have more information on whatever we do here every week. Okay, so on Ethereum, the same thing that happened on Ethereum last week. Also this week we also had this trade that is playing out right now on Ethereum. It's actually moving well. For now, the trade is actually moving well. Okay, so we're going to see what happens from now. We've achieved first targets at 0.382. We are looking for price to get to at least the final target, and then probably break structure to the upside, because we are actually clearly bullish on this asset. Okay, so let's go straight to the meat and potatoes of this week. So for AUD CAD, I've actually analyzed this pair. That was last week. Last 2 weeks I've talked about AUD CAD, and we've been able to smash TP1 at 0.382. right now we have a key level that is priced, that I'm expecting price to push back to this level and then probably react from there to the drop to the downside. So right now we've taken partial profit on this trade. It's actually a break even. So if price be able to come back into this key level and give us a confirmation for another sell, we're going to ride it down to this final target at 0.618. We'll probably get to, like I told you guys in the WhatsApp group, that I want price to be able to, I want to see price can be able to get to at least 0.900, which is a very psychological level for a continuation to the upside. You can see that this was a level that price broke out from. Okay, so I'm expecting price to, price is actually in a range. If you look close, you can find out that price is actually in a range. So I'm expecting price to break out from that range. Now if price can be able to break out from that range, then probably mitigate the other block on the higher time frame, on the discount on the premium level, and then we'll be able to push to the downside. Okay, so that is that on AUD CAD. Okay, so for Euro CAD, the same thing on Euro CAD. We'll have a setup here on the higher time frame. So this is what we call an AB equals to CD pattern. Is a very huge swing setup I'm giving you guys. Setup that if you take it and lock in, you make crazy profit. All you have to do is to go down to the lower time frame and start to look out for scaling trade on the lower time frame. But then we have to establish the swing structure, the swing setup. So this is a good setup I'm looking to trade. We'll have a key level that price is reacting from. This key level was formed in the past. It's actually a fair value gap that price is coming to react from right now. Let me open that for you guys to see. This is a very good key level. You can see that this is a key level of what? Fair value gap and other block above it. So price is reacting from there right now. And we have this key level. We have that harmonic pattern. We also have liquidity sweep. So all we are waiting for is a reaction and a continuation to the downside. So I'm expecting price to push to at least this key level here, and then if that couldn't hold price, then probably price could come down to this point. So these are the take profit levels of this setup. All we have to do is to wait for a reaction. We have seen an expansion to the downside, showing us that there is actually potential for price to actually move down. Okay, so let's look at GDP AUD also. For GDP AUD, this setup is actually playing out well, though I expected price to at least push back into this level and then complete this setup, which is actually a bearish shark pattern of 0.886, which is actually in alignment with the market structure. You can see that we had a break of structure to the downside. You can see that we had a break of structure to the downside. Okay, we had this break of structure to the downside, and then price has actually pushed back into this premium level. So I was expecting price to actually, react from that 0.886, but that didn't actually happen. So we actually got a short lift of that 0.886. So let's see what price will do. Right now is actually giving us a reaction to the downside. So if by any means price comes back into this level, takes out this higher as liquidity, then react from this key level, then we can see a gradual push to the downside. So look out for a sell on GDP AUD if you're not on this trade. So look out for a sell on GDP AUD. Okay, now let's look at GDP CHF. For GDP CHF, if you look from the weekly time frame, you can see that this was a range that price has cleared. Okay, price have cleared this range, and then you can see that we had this all-time low here, which is also a liquidity point. So if we're looking at what is going on here, you can see that for a very long time, for several months, for several weeks, price was in this range, and then price just broke out from that range by a kiss of the low. So all we are expecting to see is, we want to see what price will do. Because on the lower time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, I have this harmonic pattern that is in alignment with this particular structure, and yeah, it's a shark. So I'm expecting to see price push a little bit below. Okay, this is actually what we call a shark pattern of 1.13. We want price, because we are actually bearish on this leg. We are bearish. You can see that for a very long time we've been very much bearish on this asset. Break of structure to the downside. Okay, break of structure to the downside. So for a very long time, price has been respecting the highs and breaking the lows, meaning that we have much momentum for sales on GDP CHF. So all we are waiting for is to see what price will do. So we want to see a break of structure again to the downside, price taking out this low as a break of structure, reacting from this level, and then probably a push to the upside. So look out for a buy on GDP CHF. Look out for a buy. For now, price is actually in a very good level for a reversal, so look out for a buy on GDP CHF. Okay, so now for AUD NSD, there is nothing on AUD NSD. It's already running. This is actually a setup I showed you guys. That was last 2 weeks. I talked about AUD NZD, and it was a very beautiful setup right now. So if you're on the trade, all you have to do is to relax, because I want price to get to at least 1.1150, which is the first take profit level at 1.1150, and if that couldn't hold price, we can see price pushing to another key level at 1.0946. So if you're on this trade, congratulations. If you're not on the trade, all you have to do is wait for a scaling trade, for liquidity sweep confirmation, and also wait for price to react from a key level on the lower time frame and then scale down to the profit target levels. Okay, so that is that on that AUD NZD. Okay, so for Euro NZD, we also have the same thing. Consider price is pushing massively to the downside, so look out for sell on Euro NZD. Look out for a sell on Euro NZD. It's already pushing massively to the downside. Okay, we have a key level right there. It was a key level that was created in the past, and that key level is a key level that was created in the past. Okay, so this was a key level that was created in the past. Look out for, like, this was a key level that price came to react. This is a key level of fair value gap, a very huge fair value gap that was created around December 2009. A huge old key level that price came to right now. You can see massive sell to the downside, massive sell to the downside. So that is what you are seeing here on AUD/NZD. Okay, that is what we are seeing here on AUD. And then we have had massive profitable trading opportunity in the past. Like I told you guys that whatever we are doing here is something that you guys will be able to make crazy profit. Okay, and I encourage you all to also, you know, stick around, join the WhatsApp group, because that is where I always post information in regards to trading opportunity I have. So I encourage you guys to join the WhatsApp group also. And then also, always, if you have any question at all, please ask. If you have any question at all, please ask. You can use the comment section to ask your questions. If you have any questions at all, use the comment section to ask your question. Okay, so now this is what we are seeing here on AUD, on Euro, NZD. Okay, so let's go straight to US oil. Okay, for US oil, we are seeing a continuation push to the downside. Price have cleared this low, and we have seen price taking out this low. So price is reacting from this level right now, and this is actually a sharp pattern of 0.886. So for a very long time, US oil has been very much bearish. It has been very bearish for a very long time. We have caught several trading opportunities here in the past on US oil. Okay, this was a bad pattern we caught for the last time. Okay, we make crazy profits. This was a bad pattern we caught, and we make crazy profits on US oil. Right here also, we were able to catch this buy here. There was a buy that we caught around here. Okay, so right now price have reacted from this level. Okay, so I'm expecting price to push all the way up, since price have mitigated this key level and that's giving us a liquidity sweep. So a sell price will take out this low. If price does not take out this low, then I'm expecting price to push all the way up into this key level. I'm expecting price to push to this key level, and then this key level at the final target at 0.618. So these are what we have on US oil. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen if price can be able to push to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, we are also seeing a rejection of the low. We still have several. We have like about 1 hour 30 minutes for this candle to close. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will actually happen if we're going to see a push to the upside on US oil. Okay, so that is that on US oil. The last setup I have, second to the last setup I have is Ethereum. I've talked about Ethereum, and the next one I have is USD card. USD card is a setup that is playing out well. This is a deep crab. It's reacting from a key level, and then we are seeing what is happening here. But then we have this overall setup on US oil, which is a swing setup that sets this pace for this bullish momentum. This was what we call a bad pattern of 0.886, okay, to this key level. Okay, I analyzed this pair with you guys, those of them actually in the mentorship group. I analyzed this pair with you guys, and I told you guys that you should look out for a buy on USD card. I love what is happening here. It has been very much bullish for a very long time. Since June 2025, it's been very much bearish. We've been able to catch a lot of continuation trade on the lower time frame. Okay, we'll call this buy here. There was a buy we caught here. There was a sell we caught here. There was a buy we caught here. Okay, and then recently last week we also caught this buy also last week. I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we caught another buy here last week. Okay, and then now price is reacting from this level right here. So let's see what will happen. This could be a retracement into this level and a continuation to the upside. So this will bring us to the end of this top pair I'm looking to trade this week. So I've looked at USD card, we've looked at Euro NZ, we've looked at Euro card, we've looked at GDP CHF, I've looked at GDP AUD, I've looked at AUD NZD, AUD card, US oil. So this, and then Ethereum that is also playing out very well. So these are the pairs I'm looking to trade this week for massive profits. Okay, so I love you guys and I wish you guys all the best, and this will bring us to the end of this section. So if you enjoyed this section, if you got value from this video, please like the video. If you have any question at all, please drop your question below this video, and then join our WhatsApp group. Like this video. If you want to learn directly from me, the link is below this video to join our mentorship, and then I'll see you guys in the other side. So see you guys by next week as we analyze this pair to look at how they played out. I love you guys. I wish you guys a very profitable week ahead, and then bye for now, guys.